Quadratic Formula in plain English.
Hello, my name is Mr. Otis O, and I'm a math teacher. Today, with the help of some friends, we will prove you the origin of the quadratic formula derived from the standard form. First of all, this is a quadratic formula. Now here is the standard form of it, also called the standard quadratic form. Okay, let's begin. First up, my friend Diva will show you the step 1. Hi guys, I'm Miss Diva. So here's the standard form, and the first step to turn it into a quadratic formula is to divide it all by a. And this is how it results. Step 2 is very simple. We will have the help of the pastor for this step. Hi guys, I'm the pastor. You had this equation like this, right? The only thing you have to do next is to pass the term c over a to the right side of the equation. It will end up looking like this. Because you pass it to the other side, it is now negative. Here is Mr. SpongeBob SquarePants. Hi, I'm SpongeBob SquarePants. On this step, you need to find the perfect square and add it to both sides of the equation. To do this, you have to divide the term b over a by 2, which will result you in b over 2a. You now have to square it, and the result will be b squared over 4a squared. If you input it in the equation, it will end up as x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared is equal to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. For step number 4, we have the help of my friend Factor. Hi guys, I'm Factor. On the next step, you need to factor the equation. You take the square root of the first and third term of the left side of the equation. Then, on the other side, you add the terms. For step number 5 and 6, we have the help of my friends square root and x. Okay, I will start. I like to take things, so I will take the square root of this equation. I take the square root of this side and take the square root out of this side. It will end up like this. X plus b over 2a equals plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over the square root of 4a squared. You leave the top the same, being plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, your equation looks like this. Hi, I'm x and I want to be left alone. So in this equation, to leave x alone, you just combine the terms since they have the same denominator. So you leave the top the same and you end up with the quadratic formula. There are 6 steps to pass from the standard form to the quadratic formula. First, divide the equation by a. Second, pass the term c over a to the right side of the equation. Third step, find the perfect square and add it to both sides of the equation. Fourth step, factor. Fifth and sixth are take out the square root and then leave x alone. I am Otis O, and this was Quadratic Formula in plain English. See you next time!